Pho?
No, I go to restaurant.
Ah, you eat outside. I see. All right. Thank you so much for that. And what is your favorite food in a restaurant?
My favorite food in the restaurant is pho.
Ah, this one, pho is your favorite. Oh,
Yes.
I see. All right. So I think, yeah, it looks delicious and it's yummy. So did you add some condiments like pepper, black pepper, chili oil, or what did you add for to additional flavor to that food?
Can you say again?
Yeah. What additional condiments or uh, condiments for adding flavor
What is
for
the flavor?
flavor is like example beef flavor, pork flavor, chicken flavor. So those are the flavors.
I know it.
Oh, all right. Okay, I will send it to you the uh the the question. So what condiments for adding flavor for okay.
I come on it.
Mhm.
I
So go
think
ahead.
I think it is delicious.
Oh, delicious. So you didn't put some condiments.
Oh, ah,
So some people using different kind of condiments like pepper to taste, salt to taste, chili oil to taste, and or some soy sauce. Yeah. So how about you? Did you add some condiments on food?
no, I don't use this.
Oh, you didn't use that one. So this food is already tasty, is it? Is it what you meant? So this food is already tasty.
Oh, this is very spicy.
All right. So this is your favorite. Okay. How about for dessert? What do you usually eat or ordered for dessert?
I eat yogurt.
Ah,
Today
yogurt.
I eat yogurt.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. Yogurt is yummy. All right. How about cakes, donuts, or how is it? Donuts, cakes, leche plans. How is it? Creme brulee. Do you eat that one? That is sweets.
Oh,
Sweets or how is it called? Sweets or
just a minute. I have to holding some.
okay.
Ah,
All
yes.
right. Okay. So here.
My favorite dessert is some fruits like apple, banana,
Oh.
and yogurt, and music, and ice cream.
I see. So you eat some fruits like banana, apples, right, and mangoes.
Yes.
Oh, so what I meant for sweets or dessert is something sweet or something to remove like our um the taste of the food we eat. Is it?
Sometimes it have like broccoli.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, It's a very terrible,
Wow.
and
All
it's
right.
me my stomach. It makes me stomach,
So it's made you full?
and I go to hospital.
Oh, really? Oh, so you can't eat a lot of food, or you can eat but just a little, is it?
No, I cannot eat broccoli.
Oh, you can't eat broccoli. So broccoli is yummy, but of course we have different kinds of, intestine. So yeah. All right. So yeah, you can avoid to eat broccoli because it's not good to you. So maybe you can eat some spinach. Do you like spinach?
No, I don't like.
You don't like spinach?
Yes,
Oh, what
but
vegetable do you eat?
I like carrot, tomatoes, salad,
Mm-hmm.
and a lot of
Mm.
like broccoli.
Oh, you don't like broccoli. So you can eat any kinds of vegetable except of broccoli.
Yes,
Oh, I see. All right. Okay, but you don't have any allergies for broccoli or for other vegetable except of broccoli? Do you have allergy or no?
I have broccoli.
Oh, just on broccoli.
Yes,
Oh, okay. I see. I see. All right, for me, I think I don't have any allergies for any kinds of food. Uh, I'll just remember I have an allergy on alcohol, like alcohol beverage, or some drinks, like alcoholic drinks. So I have allergy for that. So of course, it's not good for you also. So yeah, for you, you have allergy on broccoli. All right. And how about uh what do you prefer or what do you like? Eating outside at the restaurant or eating at home?
I like eating at home
Oh, eating at home. Why? Why do you like eating at home?
because I can eat my meal for I can eat mom I can eat a lot of food.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so you mean you can eat a lot of food like your mom or your mom cook it?
I yes,
Oh, I see. Yeah, and I think eating at home is much better because you can eat a lot, right? Because at the restaurant, one serve is it's a lot of money. Is
yes.
it? Oh, I see. I understand. Thank you so much, Fong, for sharing those to me. All right. And do you have any questions?
No, I don't have.
Mm-hmm. All right. And how about what is your favorite food that your mom always like? You always ask for your mom to cook. What food is that?
I usually up my cook
Mhm.
um beef,
Beef? Uh-huh.
beef and chicken and some tomatoes.
Mm. Okay, what kind of food is that? Is it
Uh,
fried, steam?
this is fried.
Oh,
Uh,
fried.
is boiled.
Oh, fried or grill? Is it?
Uh, but can I write on the chat?
Yeah, sure. Is it
I
fried
it's for
or grill?
oh mm, oh I fried.
Fried. Okay, so nice. So you always ask your mom to cook fried chicken, fried pork, fried beef. Is it?
Yes.
I see. Okay. So how about for vegetable? Do you eat salad? Like mixed salad?
Yes, I have.
Oh. And how about can you make salad?
Yes, I can.
Wow, you can. Okay, what salad do you make?
I
Or
make
what salad can you make?
a
Hmm?
vegetable salad.
Oh, vegetable salad. And what is the sauce?
The sauce is mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Say mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Yes, wonderful, Pong. All right, so you put mayonnaise, olive oil, right? Olive oil and some lemons. This squeeze some lemons.
Yes,
Yes, and shake, 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 and then pour it on. Wow, very good. And what vegetable is that?
it's half a salad.
Mm-hmm,
Tomatoes, carrot.
mm-hmm.
Oh, it's half three.
Oh, three vegetables. Oh, I see.
Because
Because
I like the most.
oh, you
It's
like the most. Which one do you like the most?
it's the vegetable I like the most.
You like the most the vegetables. Okay, that's wonderful. All right. And how about do you have a farm for vegetables?
Hmm?
Do you have farm for vegetables or are you buying only on the supermarket?
Yes.
You buying on the supermarket.
No.
Oh, you have
My dad
uh
have.
sorry?
My yes. My dad have a small garden.
Wow. So did you also plant? Do you
It's
have plants? Wow. What vegetables do you have on your small garden?
it have a salad or tomatoes, carrot, and can I write Vietnamese?
Yeah, sure. Sure. Peas. Okay. All right.
Oh, oh wait. Just a minute.
Yeah, sure.
I don't have Unicare.
Oh, I see. Uh-huh. Okay, let me share my screen. Ah. All right. Is it this one?
Yes.
Oh, for us, we called ampalaya.
What is that?
That one is korkwa. Is it?
Yeah.
We call that
For what?
korkwa. Oh, we call that here ampalaya. So we are putting some eggs, tomato, and fry it.
Yes.
Yeah. You will do that as well? You will do this one? Yeah, you
No.
will stir fry on eggs, onions, tomato. Did you make it that one? Did you make that one? So
Um.
like this one.
Egg.
Egg, yeah, egg. Egg and yeah, different kinds of vegetables you will put. So we usually put um eggs, uh minced pork and tomato and eggs. So we will put that one. So we put like this way. Okay, let me show you. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah, we will cook this way. And
Yes.
it's so yummy dish. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, do you eat that one?
Yes.
Wow. Yay. Do you cook or do you know how to cook kurkwa on with eggs?
Yes. And now, but when I eat it, I feel it's not delicious.
It's not delicious.
It's it's a very
Bitter. Is
it's
it bitter? Like
not
bitter taste?
it's a very terrible.
It's very terrible. All right, you will add the or like example when during your are slicing, you will get some water, put some salt, right, and then you will stir it. And when the salt was dissolved, the cutting korkwa you will put in the water and you will rest it maybe 5 minutes, and then you will remove and then you wash. Yeah, and then you will drain it before you will stir fry. So it will not be bitter. So, wow. But you
I
know, do you know
think
how to cook?
it is very terrible.
It's
But my dad, he said it's very delicious. I
ter-
don't know this.
yeah, then you try ask your dad to help you how to cook like how he cook, like how to make it delicious. Ask your dad to help you or to uh teach you how to cook that one. All right, so that when you will cook, it will be delicious, not terrible. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing, Fong. All right, then. How about what else can you cook? Yeah, you can write down in Vietnamese. I will help you search.
I can cook mm, a fried eggs.
Fried egg. Wow. Okay. Fried egg with, is it with tomato? Because tomato is your favorite.
Yes.
Oh, it's like omelette. It's called omelette. Is it? Is it
Yes.
omelette? Oh, I see. All right. What else besides of omelette? What else can you cook?
I can cook pork chicken.
Oh, fried chicken,
No, pork chicken.
boy chicken. What kind of food is that? Or
It's
how to cook that one?
I can write in this.
Yeah, sure.
No. I write
Boiled chicken. Uh-huh. What did you put?
I put it in mm, I don't know. This mean the
Mm-hmm.
what?
Uh-huh. Wok or the pot?
No, no, no.
Mhm.
I the chicken have put in can I write
Yeah.
Vietnamese?
Yes, sure. Yeah, you write down on the Vietnamese. Uh-huh. Okay, let me translate it. In a pot. Okay, in a pot. Okay, this one.
Yes.
That is pot. Okay, then next, you will put it there.
Uh I put the chicken in the pot
Mhm.
and I put it on a big fire and I put in this pot have some water
Mm-hmm.
and wait in 10 minutes
Mm-hmm.
or 15 minutes.
15, 5 or 50.
10,
10
10, 10
minutes.
minutes or
Uh-huh.
15 minutes.
Uh-huh. Go ahead. And then, oh, so you will put the chicken on a pot, put some water, and boil for 10 minutes. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, I see. And then did you put some vegetables or what did you put on that chicken or on that boiled chicken?
I put some garlic.
Garlic. Uh-huh.
Uh, can you write the mice just garlic?
Uh-huh. Garlic. Go ahead. Next.
Can I see some picture?
Okay, sure. Garlic. Uh-huh. This one. Oh, this.
Oh,
Did you put this one?
oh, no, no, no,
Or
no.
how about onion?
I put, can I write, just a
Onion.
minute.
Uh-huh.
I think, wait, just a minute.
Uh-huh, sure.
Mm, um, oh, oh, I put ginger.
Ah, ginger. Yes. Okay, ginger. This one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Next. You put ginger. You did you slice ginger or no?
I put ginger. I put ginger with the water. Oh, can I say again?
Yeah,
Can I
sure.
say again?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, do it.
First,
First.
first
Uh-huh.
I put in some water and put in some vinegar and I put in chickens
Uh-huh.
and I put in the pot on the big fire
Mm-hmm.
and I wait 10 minutes or 15 minutes
Uh-huh.
and last I I take it and put on the dish.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, finish.
Oh, that's it. So you'll just boiling with ginger. So the chicken will boiling on ginger, is it?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So how about did you put some condiments like salt, pepper? Did you?
Yes. I
Oh.
have put some salt.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. So thank you so much for sharing. All right. So do you know how to cook that one? How about do you know also how to cook rice?
Yes, I know.
Oh, all right. And may I know who taught you how to cook?
I think it's easy. I put in the rice on the pot and I wash this and I put it in and I put rice half and I wash dry and I put rice in the cooker and I
Oh.
wait for 45 minutes
Mm-hmm.
and I have a rice.
So you will cook it on a rice cooker.
Yes,
Oh, I see. That's why, yeah, having a rice cooker is very easy, is it?
yes, it's easy.
Yeah, that's wonderful. All right, good job. So, as I can see, you are improving your sentences now. So good job for that, Fong. So keep up the good work, okay? All right. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't have.
All right, that's wonderful. Okay, so since you don't have any questions, all right, let's move on to our lesson. Is it? Okay. Okay, so thank you so much again for sharing all of that to me. All right, so I have now a bit knowledge on how you cook your favorite dish, and of course, the dish you know. All right, so thank you so much for that. All right, now let's have on your book. Okay,
Uh,
could you please help
Wait
me?
a minute.
Mm-hmm.
All my mom say is don't use the book.
Oh, don't use the book, just free talking?
Yes, is
Oh, all
thing.
right. Yeah, it's better maybe. Okay, now let's have a free talking instead. Okay, now let's move on with this one. All right, let's have this one. Um, okay, one moment. Oh, sorry. All right, so what do you want to talk about? Okay, you can choose here. So we already done for food and eating. All right, do you want to talk about free or hobbies?
I think free time hobbies.
All right, free time hobbies. All right, so we have some questions here. So we will just select some questions. Right, so the easy questions only. And of course, the daily questions we have. All right, so let's have, do you have enough free time, Fong? Do you have enough free time?
Yes, I have.
Mm-hmm. And do you have free time on Sundays?
Yes, I have. And I usually go to court to play badminton.
Oh, so you're good at badminton.
Yes,
Wow, and who taught you how to play badminton?
it's in my teacher.
Oh, you have a trainer.
Yes,
Oh, I see. And how long have you played badminton?
I play I play badminton. I think it's a 2 years.
3 years now. So okay, you can say I play badminton for about 3 years.
I play badminton for about 2 years.
All right, that's perfect. All right, so do you have much free time during the day? Like example from 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. Do you have enough free time during that day?
Uh, can you say again?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, do you have enough free time during the day? Like example, from you wake up at 7 o'clock until 6 o'clock. So that is the end of the day, 6 o'clock. Do you have enough free time for that?
Yes, I have.
Mhm.
I
Oh,
get up at 6:30 a.m.
oh, I see. 6:30 a.m.
Yes,
until what time do you sleep?
I sleep in uh, I, 50 p.m.
8:50 p.m.
Yes,
Oh, I see. Wow, so early. Here we sleep maybe we go to bed. Yeah, we usually go to bed at around 11 to 12:30 p.m. or midnight.
yes, I have.
Oh, you
But
too.
it is yes,
Mhm.
but it's in the holiday.
Oh, just on holiday. But if have school, you sleep early.
Yes,
Oh,
but
I see.
in the holiday I usually sleep in the. I can sleep in the 11 o'clock, 12
Mhm.
o'clock. Sometimes it have 1 a.m.
Oh, really? That's too late.
But I sleep. I get up at 12 a.m.
So you get up late also. I see. All right. So you sleep late for holiday and you get up late as well. Oh, I see. And what do you usually do on during that time that you are still wake up or you still awake?
I have outside and do some exercise with my neighbor.
Oh, I see. So, outside your house or on your background, your backyard,
Yes,
so you played with your neighbor.
yes. And
Oh.
I walk around my area.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. So your place is wide and uh, very, is that n- nice to walking?
Yes,
I see. That's
and,
why you are walking.
and I cook my breakfast
Mm-hmm.
and drink
Oh.
some milk.
Oh, I see. So you did it you did it by yourself. So
Yes,
taking care of your breakfast, so everything you're taking care of that. Oh, I
and
see.
in the 9 p.m.
Mhm.
and 9 p.m. I have go to play badminton with
Oh,
my family or my neighbor.
wow. So you have a wide backyard there. So are you playing on your backyard or are you playing on a garden
I
or
play
a park?
yard.
On a park.
Yes, my home
Oh,
have a big backyard.
wow. That's wonderful. Here we don't have any park. So that's why we can't walk around. So we can walk, but on only on the street. So there has a lot of, cars, vehicles. So we can't enjoy walking. So yeah, there's like a danger when we are walking around the streets. Yeah. So you're lucky you have a wide park there and a big park. Wow. Okay. How about do you have free time in the evening?
Yes, I have free time in the evening
Mhm.
and I usually play video game and study some new and I watch TV with my family.
Okay. And what is your favorite movie?
I don't watch movie. I
Mhm.
watch some badminton player.
Oh, sport game on TV, is it?
Yes, I
Oh,
usually watch Victor Assassin, yes, Qing
mhm.
Long.
Oh, all right. Oh, wow, that's great. And who is your favorite badminton player?
Yes,
Who is your favorite badminton player?
my badminton. I like Victor Assassin.
Victor, sorry?
Victor Assassin.
Assassin. Victor Assassin.
Yes,
Oh,
he's
let
Denmark.
me see that one. So Victor, is it a Vietnamese?
No,
Uh
he is from Denmark.
oh, Denmark. Victor Assassin. Oh, is it Assassin?
You
Asa.
can write Victor Badminton.
Oh, Victor Badminton.
Oh, badminton player.
Oh, see here.
Badminton player.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ah,
Yes.
this one. Oh, so he is. Oh, I see. Wow. All right. So thank you so much for that. Ah, all right. And why do you like Victor?
His badminton is very good.
Wow, he can play badminton well.
Yes,
Okay, can you say it again? I like him because he can play badminton well.
I like him because he played badminton well.
Okay, very good. All right. And do you want or do you like to be like Victor someday?
No, I no, I want to become businessman.
Oh, you want to become a businessman. Wow. And may I know what kind of business in your mind that you plan to be on, you want to be someday?
I can be build some building urban some restaurant, and I can think know something to be to buy for to, mm, to buy for people.
Oh, so you want to build building, is it?
Yes.
Ah, so you like to be you want to be a engineer.
Oh no. Oh, but it's important to be businessman in the build or building.
Mm-hmm. A businessman. All right. Businessman. Build.
Oh,
Yeah, I said I think that is um. Okay. So I think that is engineer or like civil engineer or construction industrial. What kind of builder you are?
yes.
So this
I have
is
uh, I have to be engineer as business.
wow.
Business is very important in build.
Yeah, okay. So you want to become a civil engineer someday because you think that um
Uh,
go ahead.
hmm?
What did you say?
Oh, I say it's important.
No, it's important. Yeah, yeah, that's correct. So engineers is very important in our society because they are planning how to build the building and like they are planning to build the building in the safetiest way, right? So that's great job. So yeah, civil engineer is, that is also my son's that is also my son dream to be. So he wanted also to build a building. All right. Okay. So yeah, he wanted to be a civil engineer someday, like you. All right. So that's great. Thank you so much for sharing. All right. Do you want something to add, Fong?
Mm, no,
No questions. All
uh,
right.
but in my free time, I can be channel in the city.
Mhm.
In my free time, I can be badminton trainer in the city.
Wow. So if you have time, you can also a badminton trainer.
Yes,
Wow, that's great. And why do you like to be a badminton trainer?
because it can help me, make me happy, and I can uh, have and it's become me healthier.
Yeah, that's correct. And of course, you can help some people who don't know how to play badminton, right?
Yes, and I have more money.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, you can push that dreams So I know you can, you can meet it. All right, good job for that. Of course, good luck for your future Fong. Okay, so I know you can do it. So, okay, so you don't stop to reaching up your goals. So I know you can do it. All right. Okay. Do you have any questions, Fong?
No, I don't have.
Okay. Now let's have this question. Uh, what are you doing this weekend?
Um, um, I am going to travel.
Chapel or travel?
Travel.
Travel. Oh, I see. And which country or which place do you travel?
I travel to Yelai.
All right. Can you write down that one?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Oh, Gai Lai. Is it place in Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, I see. All right, let me see. Oh, here. So Vietnamese province. So this is a province in Vietnam. Oh, wow, that's great. Did you go this way? Did you
Yes.
go? Wow. With who? With your family?
Yes.
Wow. Did you go this all right, what is it? Mintan Paguda? Paguda?
I don't know this.
Oh. All right, how about this one? Park Dong San.
Yes, I know.
Wow. Have you been here?
Yes.
Is it
Oh,
the
yes.
hmm? Is it the real giraffe?
No, it's a fake giraffe.
It's a statue. All right, I think it's real. All right, how about this one? Track 9 Tong. Track 9 Tong.
I don't know this.
Okay. How about this one? Tak Song Kyong.
Oh,
Kuy.
waterfall. I don't know this.
All right, you don't know this one. How about this one? Tan Son Dam.
Yes, I know.
Oh, what is it? Is it a dam site?
Yes, it have a beautiful view, but
Wow.
in the evening, I don't see. I don't see.
You can see everything on that
Yes,
place. Oh,
uh,
okay.
tall light.
Uh-huh.
It's have
Okay.
very small light,
Uh-huh.
and I cannot see.
Mm. Yeah, I think it's very dark there because there's no lights around, right? Yeah, maybe if there has moons, the moon if the moon is maybe coming out, so I think yeah, you can see our surroundings. Okay, that's great. How about this one? So have you been this place?
No,
No.
because I don't like this duck.
You don't
Because
like this one?
I want this very tired, and I
Oh.
want this like the bicycle, but it is very heavy.
Oh, like it's a boat, right?
Yes,
Oh, it's a boat, like
have
boat.
in the garage.
Uh-huh. And do you think where this one going? Is it moving around here? This place?
Yes,
Mm.
but
All right.
it's heavy.
Oh, it's heavy. I see. Yeah, I think yeah, because there has maybe a motor, right? In
No,
the
don't have motor,
Oh, all
and
right.
I ride this like the bike.
Like you are kicking also?
Yes, but
Oh.
it is very heavy. Very
It's
heavy.
very heavy. It's
Yes.
very heavy. Oh. All right, I see. Okay, now let's move on to the next picture. How about this one? Do you know this place? So I think it's so nice because there's a lot of plants. Is it plants?
Yes,
Or
I know. It's very tall.
Oh, it's very tall. And is it a rice or a
No,
trees? What is this?
no, my dad drives his. Oh, can you say again?
What is it? Is it trees, rice, or vegetable? What is this? The green ones.
Can I go Vietnamese?
Yeah, sure. Let me see. Ah, terraces field. So this is rice. So rice terraces. All right. So I know it. Ah, rice field. Okay. All right. So that's great. Okay, I will help you to write down. Okay, so thank you. So this is field of rice field.
Yes.
Okay. Ah, I see. Okay, that's great. And have you been there before? Have you been that place?
No, my dad drives his car, and I see this, and I don't go to this. I see this.
Oh, you didn't see this
Oh,
one.
I see this on the car.
Oh, just on the phone?
I see this once.
Ah, you see this rice. All right. Okay, so thank you so much again for that. All right, and you don't know this one. And how about this one?
Is
What? Mhm.
is a is it land can make a tea. Is a the leaf can make the tea can make tea.
Tea. So the leaf of this plant making are one of the ingredients for tea. So
Yes,
is it mint?
the human use this to make a tea.
Mm-hmm. So what kind of plants is this?
It have black tea, oolong tea, green tea.
Uh-huh. Oh, I see. So one of the ingredients for making tea. Do you want the one of the ingredients for making tea? Okay, so that's what you meant?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Oh, I see. So, yeah, thank you so much for the knowledge, Fong. All right. So, how do you know that one? How do you know that this plant is using or one of the ingredients for making a tea?
Mm, I know this, but I don't write the code to see this. I see this on the book.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you see on the book. All right. So that's great. Thank you so much for that. All right. And this one. So I
Don't
think it's
believe.
very. Mhm.
I don't know.
You don't know this one. So yeah, I think it's like a temple or is it? Yeah, I don't think so. So, but I think it's a temple. Okay, so thank you so much. So that's it. All right, now let's move on. Thank you so much again. And how do you often go to? Is it Gailai? Yeah, how to pronounce?
Brunel?
This one. How to pronounce this one?
Oh, yes.
How to pronounce it?
Oh, can you what
Ah,
the word Brunel?
sorry. How or how to pronounce or how to say it? Say this word?
Oh, Yalai.
Ah, July.
Yalai, Yalai.
July.
Yes, yes, Yalai.
Oh, July. Wow, that's perfect. So thank you so much. So how many times do you go on that place?
Mm, uh, last I go to this is in the midwife five.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Oh.
2 years.
Oh, every 2 years?
Last 2 years.
Last 2 years. Oh, I see. And now? No?
And I go and my dad and mom go into travel this in the weekend.
Oh, so your mom and dad go there on a weekend.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much for that. All right. So, yeah. Do you have any questions?
No.
No questions. All right. Now, let's have what hobbies do you have? What hobbies do you have, Fong?
My hobbies have cook,
Cooking?
cook yes, cooking, playing sport,
Mm-hmm. Like?
reading book,
Mm-hmm.
and learn about learn learn about learn about business.
Oh, so your hobbies is cooking, playing sports, um, reading books, is it? And
Yes,
learning how to do business.
yes,
Wow. And may I know, do you have a small business on your house? Do you have small business, or like example at school, do you have some business like you are selling some candies, selling some handicraft,
uh,
or what business do you do? Or what business do you learn?
my dad is business and he sell can I watch Vietnamese
Yeah, sure. No worries. It's okay. Go ahead.
and sometimes he he will some
Oh, chemical?
yes
Oh, all right.
and
Then go ahead.
and he builds some um, can I watch Vietnamese
Yeah, sure. Okay, chemical. Okay, one moment. I will translate it. Okay, this one is
yes yes
Mhm.
yes
Engineering. All right. Okay, that's great. So yeah, you're so very, you are very talented and very explorer to do some things. So that is rare, rare doing on other children. They are not most interesting about these kinds of these kinds of schoolings or learnings. But you are very great, so you can you practicing your knowledge, and of course you are very exploring yourself for those studies. Okay, good job with that. All right, go ahead.
hmm?
Go ahead, what did you say?
Oh, hi.
Okay. All right. So, okay. So thank you so much for that. And all right. So let's move on to hobbies. What else? All right. So how about what did you do last summer vacation?
Last summer vacation, I traveled to Dalat
Oh, last vacation you traveled to Jailai. Okay,
and
that's
I traveled to Nha Trang.
oh, what? Where is that?
This is in the Vietnam.
Oh, so also near at the Vietnam. And how long did you travel? Like, how long did you travel going on that place?
I travel to last place every year.
How many minutes or how many hours did you travel to reach that place?
Can you watch on the chat?
Yeah, sure. Okay, one moment. How many hours do do you travel going that place?
Mm, I go to that place is 6 hours.
Oh, an hour. Like 1 hour, 2 hour,
6 hours.
6 hours. Wow, it's too long time. And how long are you going to stay there? Or how long did you stay there?
I stayed there 4 days and 3 nights.
4 days and 3 nights. Is it?
Yes,
Wow. And what did you do there?
I go to the beach and
Mhm.
I go to a biggest water park in Vietnam.
Oh, so there has a beach there?
Yes, it's
Oh,
like Disney's.
really?
Yes,
Wow, that's great. And yeah, did you enjoy a lot there?
yes, it's like Disney, but it have water park.
Uh-huh. Oh, water boat.
Yes, it have what is like Disney, but it have water park.
Water park.
Yes, it have.
Oh, uh-huh. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so thank you so much for that. So that's wonderful. All right, thank you so much for sharing. Okay. All right, do you have questions?
No.
Okay, no question. All right. So, all right, since all right. So thank you so much again, Fong, for sharing all of that to me. All right. So yeah, keep up the good work, of course. So you did a really great job on today's lesson. So yeah, yeah, you can of course answer the question. You can follow the instructions, and of course, you can make your own sentences. So that's great job for you. Okay, so good job, Fong. And of course, I'll see you again next Tuesday. All right. So good job. So I think that would be all for today since our time is up. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So thank you so much, Fawn. Have a great day and good night. Goodbye tonight.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.